And the Wadhawan family, who were taken into custody for violating the lockdown norms, have now been remanded to the CBI custody till the 4th of May. Wadhawan's remanded to CBI custody till the 4th of May. Manish, do bring us more details on this. The Wadhawan family went on a jolly ride all the way outside of Mumbai, taking special permission. They've now remanded to CBI custody until the 4th of May. What more do we know?
Well, Navila, there has been a dramatic change of, circumstances for the Wadhawan's family. Remember, this family was summoned by the Enforcement Directorate and Central Bureau of Investigation, specifically the DHFL promoters, that is Kapil Wadhawan and Dheeraj Wadhawan. On March 7, the CBI has lodged the case. The ED also started probing. But in the mid of March, when the CBI and ED wanted to interrogate, then both the brothers claimed that due to coronavirus crisis, they cannot appear physically because health is priority. Then there was no further summons issued by CBI or Enforcement Directorate. But recently, when they were found in Mahabaleshwar holidaying, then the Central Bureau of Investigation sent a letter to the Satara authorities that they want custody of Kapil Wadhawan and Dheeraj Wadhawan. Then they were sent to the quarantine facility. But as soon as they came out of the quarantine facility, the Central Bureau of Investigation, based on the non-bailable warrant against both the brothers in Yes Bank case, they arrested, and further they were produced today in a Mumbai court, and they have been sent to CBI custody till May 4.
Right. This is with regards to the Yes Bank case that the Wadhawans have been taken into CBI custody. Thank you, Manish, for joining us with those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.